So what I wanted to do today was talk about what my clients tell me are their top 3 challenges when it comes to processing new sales orders. So there's 3 main challenges that my clients tell me about when I'm sitting in meetings discussing their existing processes. The top one tends to be speed. So the promptness of getting the order onto the system from delivery is really important. It can be important just for the expectation of next day delivery, so getting items picked and packed and on the van for next day delivery, really important. But also for those manufacturing clients that we talk to, one of the things that they say is that getting it through the process of being checked, made sure that they understand the spec, seeing whether they've created it before, whether they've got the materials in to be able to manufacture it, all those sorts of things. If they have any delay up front, it can mean significant problems when it comes to fulfilling the expected delivery timescales that their customers demand. So yeah, really important to be able to get orders on really speedily and really quickly through this process so that they can get going without losing a customer or losing an order. Next biggest thing is accuracy. So once the order has been received, how do we identify who it's for, where it needs to be delivered, what delivery timescales are, and what the items are that are on the order. Some of those challenges around items can be product code matching from customer to supplier. Do they match? Do we have an understanding of the exact items that it is that are on the order? And also some challenges around are we providing it in the same measure or the same quantity as the customer's expecting? Are they buying in meters and we're providing in reels, or vice versa? Are they buying in tons and we're providing in 25 kilo packs? So there's lots of accuracy challenges around understanding what the order is telling us, who the customer is, where it's getting delivered, what the delivery dates are, what the items are. And finally, the next biggest challenge that we often get presented from our clients is around pricing. So they're telling me that getting the right price list, given the fact that they might have contract pricing, given the fact they might have tiered pricing, individual customer price lists, they might have discounts on for certain volumes of goods, they might have out of area delivery charges, minimum order quantities, all of those sorts of kind of pricing considerations. Often something that's done manually is the next biggest challenge. So those are the 3 biggest challenges that I'm kind of made aware of: is speed of getting the order processed, accuracy of making sure we understand who it is that's ordering, where it's going and what it is, and then also applying all those pricing challenges as well. Have we got the correct pricing? Is there any additional charges we need to make? Those sorts of things. So those are the 3 biggest challenges. What I tend to try and do is advise clients to look for four ways of dealing or addressing with those challenges. So the biggest one is engaging with a business process consultant that has worked in your area of industry before, understands your processes, and can kind of sit down with you and come up with some business process improvement plans. Next biggest thing is to think about the tools that you're going to deploy. So one of the tools is probably intelligent document processing. So can we identify the order as it arrives in a mailbox, extract those critical pieces of information from it, using automation to do that, and then what do we do after? So once we've got the data off the document using the IDP tool, can we use some process automation to start applying those business rules, to start checking pricing, adding the out of area charges, those sorts of things. And then finally, look for somebody that's capable on the systems integration side as well. So once the IDP tool's done its job, once the process automation tool's done its job, then the obvious next thing is how do we get that order on the system? Can we use an API to do that? Do we need some robotic process automation? Those considerations are also really important. So biggest 3 challenges: speed, accuracy, pricing. How you address those, look for a partner who can help with the business process consultancy, that can help deploy the right tools in terms of intelligent document processing and process automation, and then finally look for somebody with some systems integration expertise that can help you get that data back into your back office system once it's been captured from the document and checked through the business process. Many thanks for listening.